Hey, this is Evelyn, and I'm going to show you how to use that beautiful cashew chamomile syrup that you made in the last video to make a refreshing non-alcoholic cocktail called the Cashew Colada. So the ingredients are pretty simple. There's the cashew chamomile syrup that you made, a little bit of fresh pineapple juice, fresh lemon juice, a couple shaker tins, a jigger, some ice, and off you go. Let's start with an ounce of the cashew chamomile syrup, or 3 ounces of pineapple juice, do half an ounce of lemon juice. So what we're going to do is just shake this up really nicely. So you want to make sure your shaker tin is nice and cold. And then just strain it into your glass of choice. So because the ice in this tin is already very broken down for you, and we want this to feel like a cocktail that you're going to have in a resort somewhere, you pretend we're going to be outside for a little bit. So I'm actually just going to pour the ice straight back into the glass. And my garnish of choice is a little bit of fresh grated cinnamon that'll bring out those beautiful notes of cashew, chamomile, and pineapple. You just grate it right on top of the drink. And there you have it, little cashew colada.